Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the 2025 OT Help Desk, Big J, Little J, Power Hour. Apparently, this is my big dummy, Little J. Get out of here. Anyway, we're here to talk to you about something new. Yeah, we're going to be doing, the Power Hour. Now, what is the Power Hour? Well, we've spent a lot of time working with students over the years. And one of the things that we've come to realize is that sometimes people get to that test and they're not able to reason at a higher level. So what we've decided to do is we've decided to have an hour where we go through utilizing lab information, in other words, doing it some hands-on, and really talk about what happens. For example, when you have carpal tunnel and you have a positive test, of failings, or when you're looking at a little pedzer, right? A little pediatric kiddo, and you're doing a reflex and the reflex is positive. Things like that. So what we want to do is we want to put some meat around the bones so that people have something, that they can kind of sink their teeth into. Now, this will come with a workbook, and it will be set up so that you get the workbook prior to coming in. Okay, go over it during that time frame, places to write things down, so that you can use that. We'll also have in it some different types of maps. We call them mind maps, that are set to help you, as you progress through the process of thinking. So now we know that it's going to cost you, except the first one, you're not going to have to pay anything because it's going to be free.
Our corporate never does this.
Well, all right, put that over here. Get that over in here. So this one's free. Yeah, so this one goes to me. All right, so if you want to donate, you can always donate to me. But in this particular case, yeah, we definitely are going to be doing it free first time. So come out and check it out and see if it's your style of learning, right? And that might be helpful to you. So we look forward to seeing everybody, and have a great day.